This comment caught my attention. Sabi niya, when in doubt, log out. It's better to quit than magkasakit. So, this is partly true. Okay? Let's see both lenses, the good side and the bad side. Okay? I do get the thought nung sinabi niya na when in doubt, log out. It's better to quit than magkasakit. Yes, it's really partly true. In the environment, if like toxic na, like nako-compromise na talaga yung health mo, yung peace of mind mo, yung soul mo, or kung ano man yung aspect sa buhay mo. Okay? And it's better to choose self-love if you felt like you are already disrespected in a particular field or industry. Let's say BPO, because we heard and learned a lot of things na ang BPO, maraming kabitan, nagkakasakit kasi nag-change yung body clock kasi 'di ba easy lang naman yung rule ni God is kapag umaga magtrabaho pero kapag gabi magpahinga. Pero you all know people always complicate things. O 'di ba? Meron na tayong mga night shift, o 'di ba? Mga graveyard shifts, mga kung ano-ano pa mang yang shift na yan or paraket man yan. And then tawag dito. Here is another lens. Let's focus on the positive side. So when in doubt, kung ako, I don't just log out, guys. I'm the type of person kapag I'm really in doubt, I seek clarity. I seek more knowledge. I seek more experience. I seek more skills with the help of other people's expertise. Okay, I learn from other people's mistakes and I bridge the gap. Okay, ito yung experience ko, ito yung experience niya. So what can I learn from this? Okay, ganun ako. And I'm never afraid to ask help. I don't beg. Like, I ask, I just tap. And then other people is really willing to share your expertise if you're just gonna speak up. Okay? And also, we all know, it's more heads is better than one. Right? Mas maganda talaga kapag marami, tapos ikaw na lang yung magkulit, ikaw na lang yung mag-connect the dots. Okay, ito pala yung ibig sabihin. Ganito pala, may perspective pala na ganito, may perspective pala na ganyan. Ganon. And then, usually, if ever like I'm in a toxic environment, I try myself like I suggest on what can we improve for the process to really be better, ganon. Like, ginagawa ko yung best ko para makapag-contribute ako in my own little ways. Okay? And then, here's also a real life proof of that. Like, when in doubt, log out. Okay? Not just only in the context of the BPO. Okay? Let's put it in real life situations. We all know the story of Pia Wurtzbach. Kasi diba, na MMK na siya nun with the help of Miss Liza Soberano. Tawag dito, we all know she was really in doubt that time na di niya alam if siya na ba talaga yung susunod na Miss Universe, but she kept on trying and trying, right? Even her mom or even her family or friends parang nagda-doubt na sa kanya, hindi talaga maiiwasan, pero yes, they still kept cheering, but you would also like really feel like nagda-doubt pa din sila. Even Pia Wurtzbach also doubted herself, but she kept pushing. She kept pushing on clarity. She kept on asking assistance from other people. How can I improve me answering a particular question? How can I improve my walk? How can I improve this one and that and everything, right? And from there, when that doubt gave her strength. Yun yung kagustuhan ko sa kanya. That doubt gave her strength. And where is she right now? Okay? She is one of our Miss Universe here in the Philippines. Just like also Miss Catriona Gray. Okay, we didn't know. Meron pala siyang scoliosis. But that doubt over her na parang, hala, may sakit ako. Can I still continue my Miss Universe journey? Kasi hindi naman yan talaga matatapos, diba? Kapag nakuha mo na yung crown, tapos meron pa ni bago. Your reign does not stop there. You are a good role model to other people. Okay, kapag nalaman, Miss Universe yan, mabait yan, matalino siya, with the right attitude, ganon. And those things, napunta pa nga siya sa Tondo, diba? Punta siya sa Tondo. She has doubt, like, paano ko ba matutulungan itong mga bata na to? But she seek clarity. And from there, she gained wisdom. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin. Same goes with the BPO industry. Marami akong kilalang mga nasa wave number 1, like nagda-doubt sila, paano ba to, mag-work pa ba talaga to yung process? Feeling ko, parang inaano lang naman tayo dito, parang trial and error, pero as time goes by, nagkakaroon na ng wave 37, wave 46, wave 40B, yun, kami na yun. Okay? Nalaman namin, hala, sila TL dati, ganito pala yung process na dati, sila lang pala talaga yung nag-discover, sila pala yung nag-create ng knowledge base, like yun. When in doubt, you should not just instantly log out. You need to seek clarity first. Okay? You need to solve something first before you quit totally. Okay? Because you never know. Alright? So, tawag dito, I'm gonna show you a picture, like, yung nagka-carve siya ng, basta nagdadaw siya, hindi na nag-give up na lang siya. Pero hindi niya alam, malapit na pala siya dun sa hinahanap niya. I'm gonna show it here. So, next one is, it's better to quit than magkasakit. So, let's not generalize, okay? Sickness isn't exclusive to the BPO industry. We all know that. Kahit nasa teaching field ka man, kahit doktor ka man, nurse ka man, nutritionist ka man, magkakasakit ka, B. Okay? I don't understand. Sasabi nyo na ay, magkakasakit ka talaga dyan kasi iba yung body clock mo. Bakit? Yung doktor ba hindi nagkakasakit? Nagsa-surgery ng ilang oras, nakatayo lang. Hindi yan sila nagkakasakit. Hindi yan natatabla ng COVID. Kasi doktor, kasi alam nila yung yung ipiprescribe nila sa sarili. B, yung mga doktor din talaga, tulungan din yan sa isa't isa. Okay? And tawag dito, health is not like just focus on the job, guys. It's about your choices. Kasi, let's say, tambay ka. O, diba, nandun ka lang sa bahay. Tapos dito, let's say, work from home ka, healthy ka lagi kasi hindi ka naman nauulanan. Kapag tawag dito, hindi ka na nakaka-encounter ng baha, na merong mga leptospirosis, kung ano-ano mang lumilutaw dyan. Kasi alam naman natin lahat, diba? Kahit may bagyo po, sumusulong pa din yung mga bayaning puyat, mga BPO agents, right? Regardless on that, magkakasakit ka pa din. Kasi you're just sitting there, hindi ka naman you're not taking the right, tawag dito, like exercise, palagi ka lang nagsi-cellphone, or wala kang healthy lifestyle, you're not even eating grow and glow foods. Diba? So, magkakasakit ka na din. Okay, regardless on that, you're gonna really get sick if you don't know how to manage yourself. Okay? And, so, here's the lesson that I have learned from this comment, okay? Just be thankful with the opportunities that would come in your way. I do understand na marami talaga mga negativities, but focus on that angelic voice that is so near to you, pero soft-spoken lang na, don't give up. You're gonna make it. Listen to that, rather than the loud noises na, malayo kasi yung mga negativities, guys. Kaya sumisigaw sila ng malakas para marinig mo. Don't, like, shrug it off. Like, I do understand, like, nag-give din sila ng parang safety tips natin na parang instinct na, hala, mapapahamak talaga ako, ganito, ganyan. Pero sometimes, focus on your good side and like weigh things, okay? Huwag masyadong magpakain agad-agad sa negativities without hearing the positivities in life or experiencing the positivities in life. And then, be thankful then for your doubts, so because they push you to seek clarity and wisdom in life. And lastly, be thankful to the challenges because it's gonna give you strength. Okay? And above all, thank your health and thank God for everything that you have and be grateful for it. So don't take advantage of what you have already. Take good care of it. So if you wanted to have more BPO encouragement, tips, and videos, so kita-kits in the next video and follow for more.